Hello, this is the owner of the X-Moto channel, also known as DarkSift22. Today, this is the first video of the YouTube channel, and I'm going to make this as simple and quick as I can. So basically, I'm going to show you how to install Inksmoto on Inkscape for OS X using MacPorts. So basically, first thing we need to do is you need to go to the MacPorts website, and you're gonna have to go to the list of software package installers. But make sure you have to get the right one. If you're on Mountain Lion, then you have to get this. Lion, you get this. If you're on Snow Leopard, you have to get that. Installers for legacy platforms, you can get this for Leopard and for Tiger. So, once you install the MacPorts, open up Terminal. And then you type in, you type in sudo port v upgrade or self update. Now this will update. Now this will update your port files. Since you don't have none, it's recommended that you do this before you install any ports for it. So once you've done that, we need to get Inkscape, Python, PyGTK, and lxml. I'm gonna put the code in the description so you don't have to type it. Okay, so you put this code here, you copy this code and paste it into Terminal. If you don't feel like typing it, then you can just do that. And you press enter, you type in your password, and all that, and you just have to wait. You just have to wait for it to download and install dependencies for it. So, I already installed all of them, so I'm not gonna do it again. So, once it's already done installing dependencies, you need to get the Inksmoto extensions 0.7.0. I'd rather not recommend 0.6.0 because since that version is buggy, we're gonna use the latest version. Main thing why 0.6.0 is buggy because when you create lines in Inkscape and you launch the level with X-Moto, you'll see random lines just everywhere that you did not create. So you'll see like a bunch of crappy lines around. So that version is bugged. So I recommend use this as well. So now once you've downloaded Inksmoto and extract it, you'll see all these files here. Oops, sorry. You'll see all these files here. Now once you put that aside, because you'll need that later, we need to open the Inkscape extensions. There's two ways I believe, or I'll just do it this way. This way is to open, type this in, open Inkscape-X, and then you just wait for the extensions window to open up. It's going to. There it is. Okay. Now I know all this has been in here, but you just have to drag all this and just copy all this and paste it in there. And you'll have to type down your password to do this. Okay. So the final step is to launch Inkscape. Simply type in Inkscape to launch it. Also, I'll put all these codes in the description as well. So now we got the Inkscape that's working. Let's go and check out the Inkscape version for it. Now, as you can see, it's 48.4.R9939, so that's good. Now we're just gonna do some little bit of testing here. It's best to have keyboard shortcuts installed. So as you can see, it's already installed. You have to restart Inkscape to activate them, but I already have them installed. So let's do some little bit of testing here. Make sure you have Xports installed. If you're on an older Mac, such as Tiger or Leopard, you may have to have Xports, or you may have to run it with X11, which is basically the same thing as Xports, but X11 is just an older version for it. So I guess everything's working fine. So let's just choose random texture. Don't really worry about this, since it's nothing. Even though it says error clip empty path, it's still not going to do any effect for it. It's not going to ruin your level or anything. So let's just do a player start here. Just the end of level here. So let's just open it up. And as you can see, that's the first way of getting Inksmoto. So that's the first way. The second way is to get the Inkscape.dmg. Now this is way complicated than the MacPorts way, because you'll have to edit all the launcher script, and you're gonna have to make a new Python command. But just if you want to do that, then just follow me very carefully, just in case if you don't want your system to mess up, which obviously we hate that. So I guess part 2 will be coming up soon. So see you later. Bye.